making a burger. Got our truffle sauce again we got from last time. Got some homemade pickles. Can't wait. The burger. Oh yeah. And we got our onion straws. And we're doing the bacon too. And let's cap it. Oh, beautiful. Since we weighed it when we started the meat, I'm kind of curious now to see what it ended up at. That's 1 pound, 7 ounces. Ah, oh, awesome. Is there anything you want to say before we start? I got a towel just in case. No? No? Okay, do you want to hold this one?
I know, I already felt it while you were inside.
This is incredible. Okay. Got a cold beverage to go with it. You want to go ahead and eat yours? And I'll eat mine, and we'll race. Okay, get this a little closer so I don't make too much of a mess.
Aren't you going to talk to the camera?
Hmm?
Aren't you going to talk to the camera?
Not much to say. Cheers. This is amazing. I mean, you just look at that thing. I don't know what this. I'm not sure what to say. I want to cut it in half, maybe. I don't know. You can. Mmm. That's good. Yeah, you're growing. So am I after this thing. You can do it. Cut it in half. Oh, homemade bread. Homemade pickles. Oh.
Homemade sourdough bread. I don't like the sourness of sourdough bread that much.
I'll lower the camera a little bit so you can see what we accomplished so far. There we go. Whew. I didn't want to say I bit off more than I can chew, but we'll see. Note to self: get a new camera holder. Might be a little overcooked. I was a little worried because I haven't cooked some, or normally don't cook half-pound patties. I cook like 4-pound patties, like what she's eating right now normally.
Oh, third. That's what it is.
Yeah, 3rd pound. Not that meat sweats. Like 95 right now outside. Feels like 100. Flies. They're everywhere. They'll get you. Thumbs up. I'll tell you, props to anybody who can do a competition for eating food. Don't get me wrong, I love food. I'm not done yet. Don't get me wrong. I'm just stalling. But I mean, liking food and eating a lot of it in a short amount of time frame, that's something else. Yeah. Sometimes I wonder why I do the things I do. More bites. What do you got? Yeah.
And the bike ride.
And the bike ride too. We're done. Well, she's not. I'm done. That was fun. About 3/4 of the way through, I was thinking, what did I get myself into? Then I looked down and then I saw this amazing burger sitting there still, so I thought, okay, I can finish it up. We're gonna go finish her. We're gonna go finish her dinner because she's still eating. I want to say thanks for watching, everybody. This was a fun video. Do not attempt at home. Consult your physician before attempting something like this. A 1 pound and 7 ounce burger. I'm gonna sleep either really good or really bad tonight. We'll see. Cheers, everybody. Come here. Thanks. Oh gosh, too much food. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Want to say it? Well, say it one more time. I'm not sure they can hear you.
Please subscribe and keep barbecuing.
You heard it from her. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Cheers.